G and DM. Hello. Hello. Dono. What up? Don't be bad. Don't be bad. 와. Dodo, getting warmer here, getting colder. New Zealand, I think it's still cold. Yeah, still cold. Very cold. Yeah. I'm late. I'm late today, right? Brothers and sisters, because last night I went to bed around like almost like 4 a.m. 4 a.m. last night because I was like searching for this SAP, yeah, until I get to sleep. SAP, very interested, yeah, very. Silary Bay, are you here? Silary Bay, I mean, very interesting, yeah. Like, why I didn't know this? SAP, yeah. Very interesting. SAP. Anyone knows SAP? Still daily stream. G and DM. I honestly think you are such a cool person, man. When I grow up, I wanna be just like me. Don't be like me, yeah? I'm very lazy person. I'm not. Silori Bay! Silori Bay, brother. I mean, I last night, yeah. I mean, every time you. Yeah, every time. Yeah. I saw this, like, SAP, yeah. I'm like, oh, yeah. Oh, it's probably. SAP is something like this, yeah, and I searched for it just a little bit, and I see this how the other people using the SAP programs. I'm like just like, yeah, watching it, yeah, looks like it's not my thing, yeah, and yeah, okay, and last night it was first time for me to look at this SAP. It was first time for me to looking at it like deeper, yeah, like why people actually need this SAP and what SAP developers doing. Yeah? It was first time last night. I mean, until 4 a.m. I mean, that's why I'm late. Very interesting. It looks like, oh, yeah, SAP accountant controlling soft. It's more than that. I realized that SAP I mean, you can like automate not just accounting and like everything. Yeah, yeah. It's almost like everything. But that's for like big businesses. And the one thing I found is yeah. I mean, how can I explain this? Like, I'm very interested. Yeah, because thank you so much. Thank you so much. Silori Bay. I mean, how can I start SAP? I mean, it's really hard to find. Like, it's really hard to like learn. Yeah, because there are not many um how can I say, not many like videos, tutorials, not many like learning stuff, not many learning stuff on the internet. Yeah. I mean, it's like, I mean and the and brothers and sisters. I mean, how I understood is how I yo Mohawk Taka, welcome back. So when you bringing the helicopter dance back, I do it like every day. Yeah, when a big dono happens. Yeah. Yeah, Dodo, that's right. In Europe, they pay a lot for those, right? I mean, and I mean these big companies, I mean, can hire developers to develop their own business solutions, not using SAP. You know what I mean? It's because I mean that's how I understood, but probably I'm wrong. Yeah, but I mean the program the big companies uh, use SAP for their business solutions. They don't need to actually use SAP. I mean it sounds like easier, but it's easier for the SAP developers, but like for example, like web developers can also like make the same solutions, yeah, using like pure like JavaScript or like hmm, uh, whatever, right? So it's like it's like I mean you know the this uh RPG maker, you know what I mean? RPG maker, the so you can make the RPG game. You know what it is? RPG maker. It's something like that. Hmm? Yeah. SAP is like a business solution version of like RPG maker. Like it's like business solution maker. Yeah. Does it make sense? That's how I understood. Raining, you know SAP. Uh, Toasty, I have SAP experience. I had an entire COOP based off creating and updating maintenance plans. Silary Bay, there's not a lot for programmers because it's standard programs for the different business processes. The more you create your own programs, the harder it. Yeah, it looks like it because it's like how can I say this in English like uh the level of like freedom of coding, it's kind of low compared to like pure like pure coding languages, because like RPG Maker, you know what I mean, you can make an RPG game with RPG Maker, but there are like so many like restrictions, yeah, like, right, something like that, no. It becomes when you upgrade the standard SAP because things start to break. Companies, they like that because employees can't steal from them. So that's how I understood. Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. Yes. So with SAP, yeah, it looks like, I mean, if the company wants to make a UI using a web browser, like if a company wants to use SAP Cloud, yeah, for example, so the employees can access to the program through the web browser, yeah. So they put the data in it. So the developers needs to provide the UI for them, right? Then you need to be able to code like HTML, like Java sometimes, like, so I mean, it's like it's mixed, yeah, like, yeah, you also need to able to like make this like web pages as well, and they provide this like kind of like module to build it, but there are like limitations compared to the pure web page coding languages, right? No. um and there are not many people can do this, yeah, because not many people can do this because it looks like to do that, to use SAP, you need to understand the coding. That's the basic. How can I? You need to understand this coding first. How can I explain this? Yeah, it's like for example, if you don't know anything about coding, brothers and sisters, it's really hard to like it's really hard to learn SAP. Yeah. Yeah. If you don't know about if you don't have any experiences about coding, it looks like it's really hard to learn. But if you know coding, I mean, if you have experience like Java, PHP, yeah, HTML, like C sharp, yeah, if you have experience for coding, you can learn like way easier than like who don't have experiences about coding. Yeah. But those who knows about coding, yeah, they just do what they do, you know what I mean? It's really hard to like get into like SAP, yeah. For example, if you are a JavaScript, yeah, programmer, yeah, you just doing JavaScript, yeah. You know, it's really hard to fall into this SAP. SAP. That's why not many like developers, the SAP developers are there. Yeah, yeah. Oh. I mean, it looks less stress. It looks less stress compared to the other languages. Yeah, it looks less stress. Because it doesn't involve like very complicated coding things. Yeah. Yeah. That's how I understood. Probably I'm wrong. Fumi! Vlon! My few coding friends don't like that. Not that popular. Smell like finance. I mean, it's more than like finance. It's like yeah, very interesting. SAP. Yeah. And it pays a lot. There are so many like jobs, SAP jobs in Perth. So I think it's. And did you know that, brothers and sisters? I mean, the SAP is the biggest company in Germany. I mean, top number one. Did you know that? It's a number one company in Germany. Yeah, the stock market. I mean, how can I mean, what do we call this in English? Oh, the market capitalization. Market capitalization. The top market capitalization. Capitalization. Sorry. Yeah. Not telecom video. No. Yeah. Market cap. For short. Yeah. Top number one. Yeah. Top number one. SAP. Biggest. the biggest top number one company in Germany. Yeah, SAP. Did you know that? This is yeah. and and this SAP provides like their own like certificate system. So you take the exam, brothers. You take the exam to get the certificate. Yeah, yeah. Like, I mean, there are so many parts in SAP. Yeah. So some developers are like specialized for this accounting. Yeah, building like accounting. Yeah, solutions for the businesses. Yeah, but some people are like specialized in like managing like human resources. Yeah, some developers are specialized in like, yeah, that managing like the stocks. Yeah, companies stocks, like invoicing or like, yeah, the contract, managing contracts and shit. Yeah, so like so many parts in SAP, and they like um provides like the certificate system for each section. Yeah. So, for example, if you want to get a job, like if you want to get a job as a like SAP developer for like financing, yeah, like, yeah, for financing part, yeah, you just get the certificate, yeah, take the exam, get the certificate, and put it on the your CV, yeah, resume, yeah. So you don't have to write a novel, yeah, to explain like how you are good at, yeah. No, it's just I have this certificate, bam, yeah, that's it, yeah, yeah, and you get hired. You know what I mean? Simple. I like that. Yeah, yeah. Mm. But and I mean these big companies, brothers. These big companies spend like 140K, 150K per year for just one like SAP developer. Yeah, they spend so much money for like to maintain this SAP system for them. Yeah, but I think with that much money, I mean, they can build like their own like business solutions. Yeah, with that much money, they can build their own business solutions. But it looks like they don't care. Yeah, like because we are rich company. Yeah, I don't give a shit. I spend like millions of dollars for like maintaining our SAP system. Yeah, we are not interested in like building our own business solutions. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, I mean, cause those big companies who use this SAP, they are like huge company. Yeah, like, yeah, yeah, billions of dollars companies. Yeah, yeah. So they looks like they don't care, or they don't know. They don't know they can build like their own business solutions. They don't know. I think it looks like many companies who use SAP, they don't realize they can build their own business solutions with like less money. Yeah. Dodo, $100K got a lot of tax. Be careful, Mr. Chen. I mean, make money first and then worry about the tax later. Yeah. Yeah. Let's make money first and worry about the tax later. So many SAP jobs. Let me have a look. SAP. Starting salary 90 to 120K. Oh, yeah, and also I think this learning, like, I mean, if you want to learn SAP, I don't think it takes like a year, like 2 years to learn. I mean, I think 1 month is enough. 1 month maximum, like 1 month. I mean, if you have experience in coding, long time like coding experience, if you have like good understanding about coding, I think it's really easy to learn. Yeah. I don't think it takes like a long time to learn. Snowflake jobs. What is snowflakes? Three SAP developers to join them on 12 months basis. $1,000 per day, brothers and sisters. Holy shit! SAP BTP application developer. Yeah? $1,000 a day. They pay $1,000 a day. Yeah? Yeah. I mean, let's do this. What is this? SAP BTP. Yeah? Let's go. Like tutorial, let's have a look. See, it's really hard to find tutorials, yeah? Like it's really hard to find the education materials.
Right? So in cloud,
usually a company uses their own internal employees to become their developers. For example, their accountant becomes their CEO developer, or warehouse manager becomes the warehouse. Oh shit! Okay, so they like trying to teach this coding for those like who don't have understanding about this coding. Yeah. Company normally think that would work. Yeah. Like, yeah. Because when it comes to SAP, company think like, since it's not pure coding language, they just like, for example, if you are like human resources manager, yeah, like this company just give you a role as a SAP human resources, yeah, manager, yeah. So, yeah, learn SAP from today, yeah, like, yeah. So you can manage the human resources, yeah, better, yeah, efficiently, yeah. So yeah. This company telling this human resources manager in their company, right? I mean, yeah, like this company suggest this manager like, yeah, learn SAP so we can like manage human resources like better, efficiently. Yeah. So this manager who doesn't have any experiences in coding, like started learning. Yeah. And it's not that difficult. Yeah. Since it doesn't require like super complex coding skills. Yeah. Yeah. So they start from there. Yeah. It's like that. It's not really coding. It just switches you turn on and off in standard program, right? That's how I understood. It's like RPG maker, yeah. I think RPG, the game makers, PC game makers, like I think it's a good example. Like it doesn't have like freedom. It doesn't have much freedom of coding, right? Yeah. It's really hard to explain. You know what I mean? I mean, yeah. So I mean, cause to me it looks like really easy to learn, and like $1,000 a day. Yeah, I mean this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's really easy. It looks like really easy to learn to me, and $1,000 a day, brothers and sisters. Let's go. let me let me get a job. Yeah, it's time to get a job. Salary base. So you have to be an expert in a certain area like sales to become a sales and distribution developer. That's right. I mean, this SAP processes. I mean, it's not just code. You need to. I mean, for example, to develop like to develop a SAP solution for like, for example, like managing contracts and managing like stocks and shit. Yeah. Yeah, to become a SAP developer for those area, you need to know this area. You know what I mean? You not just like coding, not just like coding of SAP. You need to understand that business part as well. Yeah, like you need to have like complete understanding about the part to make that solution. But I think most of the businesses, the business part is not that complicated to understand. So as a developer, can I just, I mean, for example, I want to develop, I mean, some company wants to hire SAP developer for their like managing like stocks part, for example. Yeah. But I need to understand how this company managing their stocks first. So I just go there as a SAP developer. Yeah. Need to see how the business running, like how they like managing their stocks. I don't think it takes like long time to understand their business, yeah, structure. Yeah. Yeah. No. I think it's a, yeah. It's a fact that you need to have like clear understanding of the business structure first before you build the solution, yeah, with SAP. But I think, yeah, it's not that hard. Joshi, talk to sales department of any company, you will understand. Yeah, it's just like that. I mean, yeah, I just ask like, there might be a manager for like stock managing, yeah. So I can ask them to figure out how they manage those stocks. So how I can provide solution for like easier management for them. Yeah. I don't think it's hard. Yeah. Because normally this it's not that complicated, right? It's a simple structure. The business structures are very simple. Yeah. And they trying to make it much more simple, much more like efficient. That's why they need like SAP, right? Like a little bit more like automation, a little bit more like more like easy to manage, easy to like make report, like automated report, something like that. No killer, but a lot of SAP solution tied back to the accounting side as well. Yes? Let's have a look. SAP Basis Consultant. What is this? DXC technology, where brilliant people embrace change to season plot. Skills required 5 years plus SAP Basis experience required. Solid installation, implementation, upgrade, and support skills. Wide range of experience across various. I mean, normally a company who uses this SAP for their business solutions. I mean, how many developers they hire? Yeah. How many SAP developers they hire? Yeah. What is this? Company reviews? Reviews for the company? SAP Fiori developer. Fiori is the another module that provides like website cloud based coding. No, there are so many modules. Coffee Cakes, welcome back, Coffee Cakes. budget oversight, manage project budget, ensuring cost effectiveness while maintaining quality standards. Why a SAP developer should be responsible for this? Yeah, what is this? I don't get it. Usually they teach their employees to become the business analyst in their area of expertise because they know the business. Okay. Yes. That's for a manager of the programming department. Looks like they are building a cloud application for their business solutions. So, being a SAP developer, you're not just learning the coding. Yeah. You can learn like the business structures as well. Yeah. Yes. This is not just a developer. Yeah. Like that's why not many people are there. The problem is that more and more SAP jobs are outsourced to India, so it's harder to compete and get good pay. Yeah. Yes, and it looks like much cheaper, like easier, like easier business solution makers are like being developed at the moment. It looks like there are so many like other like really similar to SAP, but more like simplified, like easier. Yeah. Sometimes you don't even need code, but that's just normally for the small businesses. Yeah. So I don't know. What do you think? Is it? I mean, but still, there are many big companies will use this SAP. If I learn this SAP and get a certificate and send out resume for those companies who are looking for SAP developers, I think it's I can get a job. Yeah. I can get a job by the time I arrived at Perth. No. Yeah, $1,000 a day. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. There is a computing language called ABAP that SAP programmers use. Yeah. I mean, many companies want to hire these people want to hire these people and put them on their office. Right? So
Hello and welcome to the next session of the Devtoberfest. Session is called Classic ABAP to ABAP Cloud. My name is Marcel Hermann, SQL for application and data integration. And after consuming calling the pop-up to confirm is not allowed, and you would get a syntax error in the cloud development. But on the other hand, the access to released content, so released technologies.
I mean, so imagine those who know about this business, but they don't have any experiences about coding. Imagine they start learning this, yeah, or I don't know. I think it's almost not possible. Yeah? Yeah? Imagine you are just a stock manager in a company, and imagine your boss one day ask you to learn SAP, yeah? To manage the stocks much more efficiently, yeah, for the company. Yeah? So you need to study this. Yeah? Imagine that. It's almost not possible. Yeah.
And we release APIs.
I mean, it's possible, but it's really like, it's challenge. Yeah.
Volker, would you mind to show that in real?
Yes, of course, Marcel. Thank you for the very good and very nice.
The list.
The 80.
But the thing is, it looks like super easy for those who have experiences about coding. Yeah. It looks easy. Yeah? Hold on. They don't need to. There is difference between a business analyst and a person that writes code. Okay. So Flani, it looks like SQL. They use SQL as well. Yeah. They use SQL as well. Yeah.
Then if you
Sometimes you need to know like JavaScript, HTML.
and then you can start using these information. So
Yeah, for the UI, for the users. Yeah.
about that, this is a
Like the companies, the employees. For companies, customers, you need to make the UI.
whatever the organization that you are into, that organization. The one more is the
Cloud UI, you need to know how
what
to
is the
code
new environment.
HTML,
If you have
JavaScript.
it outside, which is in the you start to develop things, correct, right? You start to develop into your dev space or quality space, correct, right? You are going to develop it there, and you are
So, is it like that? I mean, this is what I understood. This is how I understood processes. Is it like that? So, for example, this company needs to develop a program, which is a business solution for them, yeah, to manage their stocks. Manage their stocks, for example, yeah. Then, for example, I'm a developer, right? I'm a developer, and this stock manager, yeah, asked me like, it'll be great, yeah, when you put a data about a stock, yeah, like we need a UI, something like, yeah, product name, yeah, product name, like for example, like, yeah, silicone dildo, model name is, yeah, G559, yeah. Yeah, and how can I say, like, I mean, so they probably ask me to, like, to make a table, a form to put the data in the system, yeah, for the new stock data, yeah, like stock QTY, yeah, 5, yeah, something like, so supplier, yeah, so for example, they want to put this data in the system, so the project manager asked me to make a form, yeah, yeah, a UI, the form to put this product name and stock quantity, and I made this so people can, like, yeah, the company's employees, yeah, who manages stock, yeah, they when a new product comes in, they just put like new product, yeah, blah blah blah, stock quantity, we got like 9 today, yeah, bam, yeah. But the other day they asked me, the stock manager asked me, like, oh, we need this field as well, yeah, for example, like, yeah, supplier, yeah, yeah, like X trade, yeah, the supplier, the company, yeah, the company name, X trade, yeah, we need this section as well. Then this developer, yeah, make this another form field for that form, yeah, yeah. And of course, developers need to show this data on the dashboard or whatever. Yeah, they need to already. They need to provide also, like, the dashboard to show all those data, and probably, like, you need to also develop a page to see all those products by supplier, yeah, for example, like, if you want to see all the products by this supplier, yeah, when you click it, you can see all the products from this supplier, something like that, yeah. That's what you do as a SAP developer. No? That's how I understood. Yeah? So it's really easy, yeah? It's like, for example, this manager wants to know, like, all the stocks, yeah, all the products which belows the stock quantity, the five, yeah, belows the 5, yeah. I want to see all the products, the quantity less than 5, yeah, yeah. We need to have a program, something like that, yeah. Then SAP developers, yeah, make that solution for that. That's how I understood, like, what SAP developers do in the company. No? Correct me if I'm wrong.
We are going to move it into quality and then the production side. Okay, whatever you guys develop, I've developed these things and I'm able to see it over here. Correct? So that is the thing over here. Now when it comes to the
if it's not something that be done using standard SAP, a developer can write something to pull special info in. But normally SAP gives many options that the business analyst selects what shows up on the screen. Yeah. So they provide a module that most businesses need, right? So developers don't need to actually like, yeah, make some complicated things, because it's already provided by SAP modules. Yeah. So it's so easy. It sounds like so easy for the developers. Yeah. So easy. It looks so easy, but somehow they pay like good money for these developers. Yeah. Oh my God. This is a very good job process. This is, I mean, to me, it looks like very good job. Very good job for those, yeah, who have very good understanding about the coding. Yeah? Dot boy, welcome back. Yeah. I think it's worth to try it. Not the coding, a good understanding of the business. That's more like important, right? As a SAP developer, good understanding of business first, yeah. And then coding is not that much like, you don't need that much like complicated coding skills required. Yeah. So it's like, oh my God, yeah. I should start learning this. Yeah. And get the certificate from SAP, the official certificate. And let me apply for the jobs. I think it's easier than the other. I mean, because the other developers, web developers, brothers, for example, yeah, the new shit like keep coming out. Yeah, you have to keep learning. Yeah, and it's like keep changes. But it looks like SAP also, I mean, they release like some new modules, but it's like way easier than like other like languages changing and like new languages coming up. Huh? I think it's way easier. Yeah, SAP, let's go. Yeah, shit. That's why they asking like not just like the skills of this SAP. They also need like the actual industry experience, right? Because you need to have that understanding of that business to provide a solution for them, right? But to understand the business structure, I can just go there and ask them like how this works, yeah. Where do you buy? Yeah, where do you buy this? Where do you buy that? Yeah, like, and how do you manage this? Yeah, how do you? Yeah, and yeah, and once I understand how this runs, then I can make like, yeah, I can make a program for them. Yeah, cause oil and gas company stocking is totally different from trading company. Yeah. And it looks really hard to get in, yeah? Get into this position, yeah? But once you get in, that's it, yeah? Once you get in, that's it, yeah? I mean, hard to get in. But once you get in, yeah, damn, $1,000 a day. So many SAP jobs. Look at this. I mean, I searched for SAP. How many jobs showed up? 437 jobs. Just in Perth. It'll be easier to do Uber Eats, but how long time do I have to drive, yeah, to make $1,000? Look at this, brothers and sisters. The benefits: full-time contract until June 2025 with the possibility of extension. Opportunity, yeah. Hybrid role with 3 days in the office. Competitive pay of up to $900 a day plus super. Jesus, let's go. I mean, this is the way. This is the way to go. Yeah, I mean, because, brothers, because since I stopped coding, yeah, I stopped coding like long time ago. I mean, yeah, I stopped coding like long time ago. So if I get a job now as a web developer, I need to start like I need to learn first, because I mean these new languages. For example, like what is that? I forgot the name. Shit. Anyways, yeah, I need to learn these new languages, but I don't think it's a hard, yeah, because the coding languages, brothers, they are pretty much the same, just different comments and different, yeah, but the structures are the same. So it's really easy to. I mean, once you have like good understanding of coding, the learning new coding languages are really easy, and it doesn't take that much time. So I mean, even if I need to get a job as a web developer, I need to learn these new languages before I apply for the jobs. And I think it's gonna take a month or something, yeah, like maximum, yeah. But so now I have like choices, yeah. Like spend my 1 month time for studying the new languages for web development or SAP. I mean, to me it's the same, yeah. It looks like the same. Same amount of work, same amount of time I need to learn. Yeah? So, and I think it's SAP part. It looks much more easier, better money, better opportunities. Yeah, and yeah, it looks like easy job. Yeah. Zhang Fei. If you're focused on just stocking, you might need to look at international accounting standard to inventory. It may help a bit what accounting side wants. I mean, if I don't know, I can just ask the accountant in that company, right? Yeah. Yeah. When I'm making a business solution with SAP, and if I don't understand this accounting part, I can just ask them. Yeah. In the company who are in charge of this accounting, I can ask them to figure out like how they manage their accounting and shit. Yeah. Yeah. Easy. They expect you to know. Well, I'm just a developer. Yeah, I'm just a developer. Yeah. How do I know? So I mean, I don't know, how can I explain this? Yeah, but I understand that too. Yeah, I understand that today. I mean, they expect developers to know, yeah, this. So, I mean, using this solution, SAP. Yeah. Like as I said, this. I mean, imagine, brothers and sisters, paying like thousands of dollars for each SAP developer. Yeah. I mean, with that much money, you can build your own business solution. Yeah, by hiring just like normal developers. Yeah, you can build your own business solution. You don't have to pay like for SAP anymore. Yeah. Yeah, you don't have to pay for the other SAP. You don't have to pay for the other SAP like the server. You can build your own business solution with this much money. I mean, right? But it looks like the company don't know about it. Yeah, don't know. Yeah. It's like, it's like a game development company, yeah, make a RPG game by using RPG Maker, yeah. You know what RPG Maker is? This is RPG Maker. Yeah, for those who don't know what RPG Maker is, brothers, this is you can make a game like this. Yeah, like
if you that can be customized or using as placeholders before finding
like you can make a game like this.
You don't need to times of the year with the player being made to focus on
using like pre-existing modules and shit. Yeah, so I mean it's like yeah, this company make a RPG game by using this RPG Maker, yeah, spending like millions of dollars to hire this RPG Maker developers, yeah. But they don't know, yeah, they don't realize they can actually make a great RPG game, yeah, without using RPG Maker, yeah, with that much money. No? There is a difference between a developer and a business analyst. Yeah, they are different. But they are different. But to be a SAP developer for like business analysis part, you need to know both parts. Yeah. More skills! More skills! Let's go! Let's go! More skills! Hello? Oh, where is it? More skills in the house! Everybody, big read! More skills! Everybody! More skills in the house! Muscles. You say muscles. 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 Everybody's spinning muscles on the jet. Let's go. MARSK. Muscles on the jet. Viva Italia, Forza Napoli, dai Roma, Lazio, merda. Muscles, Muscles, mi ha fatto bagnare, ti amo. Muscles, grazie. Muscles, la grande botta. Muscles, mi ha fatto bagnare. Yeah. Muscles, 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 Grazie. Thank you so much. Muscles. Grazie, grazie. Muscles. Grazie. Be great. Welcome, welcome. Welcome. Let me let me quickly the toilet. It's not it's I'll be right back. Thank you so much. Yeah. I veri uomini non si lavano le mani. Eh? Thank you so much. Moscows. Demianto. Bro, you know David Rubino? No. Anton Cesaro, Mr. JJ, if you are interested in SAP, I can teach you. I make maple syrup from SAP all the time. What are you... What are you talking about? What? David Rumino is a famous YouTube Italian. I don't know. Yeah. I know Moscows. Yeah. I know Moscows and what's his name? I forgot. Martina! Ah, Silverby, that's right. I know Dario Mosia. I know Dario Mosia. And I know what's his name? Nani Twitch. I know Nani Twitch. Yeah. And I know what's her name? Oh my god. And I know this guy, like La Grande Botta. Yeah? And I know Kokeshi! That's right, Kokeshi. I know Kokeshi. And I know Lazio merda. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. Buonanotte tutti. Rubino is a Lazio fan. Rubino merda. Yeah. Eh? I don't know. Yeah, so we were talking about SAP, yeah. You have no idea, brothers and sisters. We were talking about SAP. Yeah, I never knew, brothers and sisters. I never knew I was gonna talk about SAP. Yeah. Respondo al dissing the Mr. Chan Chan. Yeah, what is this? Silverway, in less than a week you have gone from selling your house so your kids can be with their grandparents to moving to SE Asia countries for 3 months at a time to moving to Perth to the jewelry and Uber Eats to now becoming an SAP developer. So random, right? Yeah, well, because I'm scared, brothers and sisters. Because I'm scared. Yeah, I'm scared to make a certain decision. Yeah, I'm very scared. Yeah. So I'm like, oh, this one. Oh no, this. Oh no, I have to do this. No, this. like this. It's my mental problem. Did you sign with the realtor? No, I mean this guy, yeah? I mean, I sent an email to this guy last night, yeah, around like 9 p.m. I sent an email like, so what should I do? What's the next step? Can I just sign on the paper and just send it to you through the email? What should I do to take the next step? And this guy haven't replied me back yet. Now it's a lunchtime. He doesn't reply. Why is that? We'll see. Yeah, Martina, are you still here? Martina, Maskills? Martina, thank you so much for the big raid. Again, thank you so much. Grazie mille. Martina, mi ha fatto bagnare. Grazie, ti amo. Yeah. Thank you so much. SAP, let's go. Jesus, I mean, how much is that? I mean, if I make $1,000 a day times by 5 days a week, right? And it's 4 weeks per month for like 6 months contract. Jesus! Let's go! I mean, help! Silverway, help me, brother, help me. I mean, I need to do this. I have to. Help me. I need to do this. Yeah? What should I do now? I mean, yeah? Yeah? I mean, fuck jewelry. Fuck. Fuck Uber Eats driving, yeah? Fuck social anxiety, yeah? Fuck this. Let me do this SAP develop. Yeah? Let's do this. Yeah? Oh, someone raided. Oh! X Supernova! Big raid! Let's go! Supernova! X Supernova, let's go! Are you ready? Everybody! I say X, you say Supernova X, Supernova X, Supernova. Everybody spamming supernova on the chat. Let's get supernova. Everybody spamming supernova on the chat. Yeah. Supernova. Supernova on the chat. Supernova. Supernova Mia Batu Banyar. Yeah. R. Supernova. Easy. Supernova.
Supernova donated 50 bits.
Ah!
Here's 50
Supernova! Supernova on the Supernova, Supernova.
I'm like some kind of supernova. Watch out, look at me go. Give me 좀 boy. 빛의 core, so high. 문이 열려. 서로의 존재를 느껴. 마치 디스코드. 날 닮은 너 누구야? Drop. 사건이 다가와. 거세게 가져가.
I say supernova, you say supernova. Supernova. Everybody, baby, supernova. Supernova on the chat.
Can't stop, hyper, stellar. 멈춰, 그걸 찾아. Bring the light of a dying star. 불러내 내 우주를 봐봐. Supernova. Body bang. Make it feel too right. 휩쓸린 energy, so special. 잔인한 queen이면 scene 이제 종결. 이토록 거대한 내 안에 explosion. 난 모두
Supernova! Supernova gifty!
보이지 않는 힘으로 내게 손 내밀어볼까. 가능한 모든 가능성 무한 속에 너를 만나서 봐줘. Bang bang forget my name. Supernova. 사건은 다가와. 거세게 커져가. 질문은 계속돼. 우린 어디서 왔나.
Supernova on the jet. Talba 8 months racing it. Talba.
Oleg4 donated 100 bits. Cheer 100.
Whole lot 100 whole lag. Oh my god, what is this? What's happening? Thank you so much, Holag. Thank you so much, Holag. 100 bits. Huh? Tarba. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. X Supernova. Shit. Excuse me. Thanks much. Holaga. Coco's, welcome back. I mean, so it's really hard to find like junior position, yeah, junior position for this SAP. No. 슬립 찬스! 슬립 찬스! Whale gang in the house. Let's go. Whale gang. Slim
Johnson donated 50 bits. Cheer 50.
Thank you so much, brother. Welcome back. Slim Johnson, how are you? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. Viva Italia. Thank you so much. So you need to know the accounting. Yeah? But do we really need to know? Yeah? When you make the solution, you just can ask, like, how to calculate, how to, like, those things to accountant in the company. No? And you can get the answer in about like 5 minutes. Yeah, bam, yeah. And you can.
Like SAP logon, you will be going into SAP logon and you start developing over there. Is it that you want? Okay, what are all the resources that you want? You need to allocate the same thing. Fine, right? This is something from the administration side. So what exactly is you're looking for, which is cloud application or the BTP basically. Okay, into that CDS, and then one is a CDS, one is on is the thing is in the same you need to R&D or local just look at it how to get them provided by SAP itself for entities your affiliate how you will wherein can if it is into the so now outside and use your right? That means you guys will be there. And according to that, projects also will be coming in. Correct, right? The resources are nothing but the entitlements over here. Okay, what are all resources are required? For my project, 2 front-end developers are required and 4 back-end developers are required, and then 1 what you say administrator is required. So that is how the resources will be given, correct, right? Allocated. In the similar way, this entitlements also will work. Okay, whenever you are trying to build something, what is it that you want? Okay, what are all the resources that you want? You need to allocate the same way. And this is something from the administration one. It will be much more bigger. Okay, and so this is your memory that is assigned to the dev space. Okay, that means this is a server, dev server, quality server, and then production server. So this is about the spaces. Now, whatever you develop, this is going to sit in this one. Now that is seen, like whatever you develop into this dev space is going to be seen in the services. That is under the instances. Okay. Here you will be able to see
Wow,
whatever
they
you guys
provides.
developed. I've developed these things and I'm able to see it over.
It looks like they
Correct?
provides their
So
own
that
like
is the
servers and everything. Yeah. Rubio, get rid of my brother Vito, you damn bastard. Me? What do you mean? What did I do? Vito, who's Vito? What are you talking about? Unbanned my brother's Vito. Unbanned? I didn't ban anyone. SAP tutorial.
Welcome to the session on ERP overview. To log into the SAP ERP system. The SAP GUI program connects the front-end computer with a specific SAP system at the back end. To start the SAP GUI, SAP provides another program, SAP Logon, which has to be installed by your pre-configured. Typically get this screen. Essentially, the key elements of the screen are the client, the user ID, password, and the language. So the client is something that is provided by the administrator along with the user ID and the password. So my user ID on this system is user 35. I enter my password, choose my language, and then I just enter the system. I can also set a new password using the icon here. So when I log in, this is what my screen looks like. I see the standard SAP menu. I can also have a user role based menu. So if I go to menu, I see the user menu is grayed out because the system settings have not been made for the user menu. So what I see is the SAP standard menu. What you can also see here is the system you're logged in. So if I scroll down a little bit and I click on this button, I should be able to see further details. Which system am I logged on to? What's my client? What's my user ID? Which program am I running currently? What's the transaction code for that program? We'll go to transaction codes in a bit. The response time and some other technical details. So all these details are retrieved from the button here. What I can also do is when I type in my data, I can use insert mode or overwrite mode. Just by clicking on it, I can change. I can go to a specific transaction in the standard SAP menu. So for example, let's go and see how we create a sales order. So I go to logistics, sales and distribution, order, create. So if I double click here, the system will take me to a screen wherein I can create a sales order. So this is what the screen looks like. Create sales order, initial screen. We'll come back to this screen in a little bit. But essentially, if my job involves creating sales order very regularly, I can simply add this transaction to my favorites. So you see the favorites folder here. If I add this transaction, this is linked to my favorites now. Now there are multiple ways of getting to the transaction. One is via using the menu and double clicking when you finally reach the transaction you want to work with. The other one is the transaction code. So to create a sales order, the transaction code is VA01. As you get more experience with working with the system, you can simply type in VA01 here at the top command menu, press enter, and it takes you to the same screen. In favorites, you can also add transactions and other objects.
I mean, but the SAP developers, they are responsible to put this data, yeah, order data. No, right? I mean, the SAP developers provides a system to someone who are charged in managing the orders. No? Why this? I don't get this.
Other objects can be a URL, for example. So I might want to type search with Google, and then when I double click on this, it will open a new browser window. So let's have a quick look at that. So there you go, the Google window is opened, triggered by my favorites within SAP. If you want to work with more than one SAP window open, there are two ways of doing it. You go to this icon at the top here. I'll just make it a little more visible. One here, and you say create
a lot of SAP developers is mainly linking between two systems. This is just showing how to use SAP as a beginner. So it's not
a session.
Eh? So it's like, from what I understand is, right, SAP developers, they don't need to put, I mean, these datas, I mean, developers can put the datas in the server, yeah, like, for example, whenever a company need to put like bulk data into the database, yeah, like, yeah, but in normal cases, accountant need to enter accounting data into the system, and what SAP developers do is just provide the UI and the system for the accountant. So when they put the data into the system, and the developers make a system which uses the data from the accountant to make a report, or analysis, yeah, something like that. That's what SAP developers do. That's how I understand. No, that's how I understood. SAP developers like provides the UIs, eh? Developers generally create something that is not already standard in SAP. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, for example, the standard order form doesn't have, for example, a standard order form doesn't have this field for the product length, for example. What SAP developers do is to put the length field in the UI, yeah, and also developers need to, yeah, make a system that shows the I mean, yeah, something like this, right? I mean, if there is no like certain fields, I mean, if they need like some additional fields, additional like report section that the standard module doesn't have. Huh?
So now I've got 2 sessions running in parallel. The other way is to you go back and
can I download the SAP and try it? So, what do you think, brothers and sisters? Can I, if I digging down about SAP, can I get a job? Can I get a job as a? Yeah. I mean, if I have to get a job as a developer someday, I think SAP is better than other language developers. Yeah, because you are not just focusing on the codes. Yeah, while you are working as a SAP developer, you also have a chance to understand the business structures and shit. Yeah. So it's better for long term, I think. Yeah. SAP analysts are usually responsible for what the user sees on the screens. A field that is missing may be one of the options that analysts can show or hide on screen. If it's not in standard SAP, then a developer might be able to add the field. Yes, yes. Okay, that's how I understood. That's how I understood. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So I think I understood like correctly about SAP. Yeah. And SAP has got like many different parts, right? I mean, like for example, products. Oh. Like learning. Yeah. Why it doesn't have category? Yeah, something like SAP like for HANA, SAP like Fiona or some shit. what was that? Fiori? SAP Fiori, SAP like what else? There are many different types of SAP Fiora, SAP Fiori. I mean, since this part looks like this is a cloud based business solution maker, yeah. It involves the web development as well. So I think like digging down this part, SAP Fiori. Let's see how many jobs are here. SAP 24 jobs. SAP Fiori developer, $1,000 per day. Let's have a look. Okay. SAP Ariba. What is this? Ariba asks for registered buyers, suppliers, and partners. Okay. Looks like Looks like trading solutions, trading the modules for the trades. So the if I make the solution, the buyers actually, yeah, let's say if I make the trading solutions for a certain company using SAP Ariba, yeah. So let's say I made a solution for my company, like trading, like managing the contracts and shit, like, yeah, like managing invoices and trading the orders, stocks and everything, yeah. Then the buyers should log in through this website SAP to place the order on the system I made. It looks like that's how it works. Yes. Like, so the so normal people can't access to the system to place the order. Yes, that's how I understood. Like buyers login, look at this. Yeah. Yeah. Suppliers login. They provide all these logins and shit. Yeah. So as a SAP developer, I don't need to worry about this the servers and login credentials and shit. Yeah, because they provide all that. Yeah. So as a developer, I need to just focus on what company needs for managing their stocks and like for their needs, right? Okay. I mean, this is so easy because it's like, it looks so easy. Right? It's so easy. Yeah. It feels like coding, like making formulas and coding on like spreadsheet, yeah, rather than like building a spreadsheet software from scratch. SAP, it looks like, to me, it looks like, yeah, building a program on like spreadsheet, something like that, yeah. Yeah, spreadsheet provides the core things. So all I need to do is just using those provided functions and using those things to make the solutions, yeah. So it looks like way easier than like building a program, computer program from scratch. Yeah. Because this SAP provides like the core modules already. So I can just fix a little bit, change a little bit, yeah. For the company needs. And they paying $1,000 a day. Shit. I mean, why I didn't know this? Why I didn't know this process? This is so interesting, yeah. Like great. I mean, why not many developers not doing this? I mean, yeah. This is a hidden gem, yeah, in developers in developers world. This is a hidden gem, hidden section. I mean, how can I say, like hidden, yeah, like hidden job, yeah, yeah, like good job, good position, yeah. SAP developers, yeah, amazing. Shit, I should have looked into it. Like seriously, first time Silary Bay mentioned about it, yeah, I should I should have looked into it like today. Very interesting. I want to do this. I want to try this. I mean, if I have to work as a developer, brothers and sisters, yeah, in Perth, yeah, if jewelry business goes wrong, if my streaming goes wrong, if Uber Eats driving, yeah, goes wrong, I have to work as a developer, right, in Perth. When the time comes, I want to try this SAP. Yeah, it's very interesting. Yeah. SAP innovations, learning. They provide good learning materials.
Welcome to an exciting learning journey.
Capturing car mileage with Drive? This kind of shit is possible.
Excel. Ever wonder how to simplify tracking your car mileage? Ever wish there was a tool to help you expense your car trips? Your solution is Drive, an application that is tailor-made for efficient mileage capture and seamless expensing. This course will give you a comprehensive understanding of Drive's service. You'll learn to explain Drive's functionalities, identify the optimal settings for your device, capture mileage using various options, and expense your car trips created with Drive. Are you ready to take control of your travels and make the most out of your learning? Let's drive towards an effortless tracking experience. Drive, your partner on the road.
Wow!
Journey is designed for administrators, business users, and consultants who need an overview of the SAP Ariba Contracts application. Through self-paced content and videos, you'll discover the basic architecture, key benefits and capabilities, and processes of SAP Ariba Contracts. After successfully completing this learning journey, you'll receive. Are you ready to learn the basics of SAP Ariba Contracts?
They provide good learning materials, good learning like system like this. Amazing. So, wow. Yeah. I mean, when you use as a SAP developer, I don't know. Oh, time to pack it up. And I need to go. I need to go for breakfast, brothers and sisters. I haven't eaten anything today. Yeah, I went to bed last night really late, like 4 a.m. last night. I was like searching for this SAP, try to understand what it is, yeah. And I think now I understood. Yeah, I don't know anything about any like codes, languages they use for this SAP, but now I understood the concept of SAP. Yeah. So once I let me study SAP. It's very interesting. Yeah. So I mean, and last night I went to Taupo, the city, to get this the kitchen tabletop for kitchen renovation. Yeah. Yeah. So I went to Taupo last night. So I didn't do the Dono cooking streaming yesterday because I bought this chicken. Yeah, Yua wanted to eat chicken, so we had chicken dinner outside. Yeah. But today, brothers and sisters, I'll be back. I'll be back for cooking streaming tonight. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for watching this, everybody. I'll be back in about like 6 hours, 7 hours for Dono cooking streaming. And why this Realtor doesn't send me email? Okay. Thank you so much. Stumpy Butt. Silary Bay. Romeo. No Killer. Noimu. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day. Yeah. Great night. Beautiful dreams. Happy life. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thanks so much, everybody. Yeah. Himo Twinji, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Love you all. Stay safe. See you soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.